Hi everybody, and welcome again to Champion Trading Corporation. What we're showing you today, this is a centrifugal sifter, and it's by the Japanese manufacturer Tsukasa. We don't have a tag on the machine, but they do make an exactly similar machine, shown on their website, of course. It has a carbon steel C-type frame, of course, with discharges, as you can see in the front here, for the sifted size, and the forward one, the oversize. Inside the unit has a swing open front door. And you'll see the screen in here. This is a one-piece screen that slides out of the unit, and you'll see the discharges right here. And if I just show you here, if we turn this, the little handle, it'll completely close the unit so that it only has a small opening for material to discharge. And the reason for that is the aggressive agitator will break down any lumps and force them into the desired size going through the screen. We're wired up right now for 220 single phase voltage, and the unit runs very smooth and quiet. We have the service door removed here. See if you can get a look inside there. You actually can see the agitator passing by, and we're going to show you. Don't ever really want to do this, but I'm going to show you because we've tested it before. You can open it up and you'll see the agitator is running very smooth, right on target. The frame can be rescreened or of course recreated by a number of different fabricators. It's sealed by, I'm going to shut this off for you for a second. It's sealed by two gaskets, one on the cover, which seals against the screen, and one on the body of the mill itself, which seats on the screen frame. As we mentioned, it has a nice painted carbon steel frame. The original controls are down here. It does have an ammeter in it. And of course the stop-start controls, everything working here, as long as your e-stop as well. We have a sister machine to this in our stock, and lots of sifters in all types of designs, as well as everything else in processing and packaging. We do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we certainly look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.